Lots of square footage for the money. Outstanding value near Lake Lemon and Lake Lemon Riddle Park. Nearly a 1,000 square feet garage behind the house. Paved driveway all the way back to the garage. Main level has kitchen, large dining room, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and laundry. A large family room has been added with a massive fireplace. A spacious master bedroom with fireplace was also added with a sitting area. Wraparound deck allows you to enjoy the abundance of nature this property provides. There is a full kitchen downstairs with a bath and a half that connects 2 rooms. Current owner has rented the lower level. Lower level is freshly painted. 2 rooms with closets downstairs are each 17 by 11. There is a bath and a half in the lower level as well as a 16 by 6 closet, a 11 by 8 downstairs entry and an 18 by 13 dining room with fireplace.